It's time to decorate your lovely cake.
Nice!
Your cake is looking magnificent. What a great cake, Happy. Let's tuck in, everyone.
Yes.
Well done, Squirrel. You've earned your cake badge.
Yay!
Now let's pour our cake mix into the tin. Drag your finger over the tin. Now we have to wait while the cake bakes. Shall we ice our cake now? Your cake is looking magnificent. It's time to decorate your lovely cake.
Nice!
Your cake is looking magnificent. What a great cake, Roly.
Well done, Squirrel. You've earned your cake badge.
Yay!
Just time for one more thing.
Duggee Hugs!
Oh,
Duggee Hugs.
Tap on each ingredient to
sugar, eggs, butter, flour. Well, I say, it looks like you're using lots of ingredients.
It's time to mix your cake. Drag your finger over the spoon to stir the cake mixture. Keep stirring, Squirrel. Well done. Good mixing. Now let's pour our cake mix into the tin. Drag your finger over the tin. Wait a moment. Your cake is baking. Shall we ice our cake now?
Excellent.